The greenhouse whitefly Trialorotis vaporariorum is a pest to growers of vegetables and ornamental plants. This about 1.5 millimeter long insect, when adult, is found mainly in greenhouses, conservatories, and on pot plants in warm, drought-free rooms. It can be recognized by its wax-coated wings that are held slightly roof-like above its body. Another notable feature are the compound eyes, which in this species are divided into two parts. Whiteflies are members of the order Hemiptera, suborder Homoptera, and are thus not flies belonging to the order Diptera. The adult insects use their slender stylets to remove sugar-rich phloem sap from the underside of plant leaves. Excess sugar is excreted as honeydew, which is a nutrient source for sooty mold fungi. Leaf colonization by these fungi significantly reduces photosynthesis and severely damages the host plants and their fruits. Trialorotis vaporariorum is a highly polyphagous insect, causing damage to 250 plant varieties from 84 families. Males are smaller than females. The females have a slightly pointed hind end, whereas the hind end of males bears a clasping organ for copulation. Mating, which lasts about 2 minutes, is preceded by a complex courtship behavior. Reproduction occurs up to 5 times a year, depending on location and temperature. The female deposits her eggs in a circle on the underside of leaves. Not all eggs are fertilized. Freshly deposited eggs are yellow in color, and later they become darker. The nymphs that emerge from the egg are called crawlers. They spend some time wandering around, then they settle, start feeding, and produce honeydew. After about 2 days, the crawler molts to the second instar nymph. 2 further instar nymphs follow. The third is shown here. The molting process to the 4th and final instar nymph is shown here in phases. Then the initially flat nymph gradually grows into an elevated oval box-shaped puparium, fringed with short wax rods and with a few long wax rods, particularly near the edge of the puparium. Honeydew continues to be excreted until shortly before the fully developed sexually mature insect emerges. The emergence of a female is shown here 40 times accelerated. Wing unfolding after emergence is shown here 50 times accelerated. Soon after wing unfolding, wax is secreted from glands in the abdomen and spread over the entire body. The insect has now completed its development cycle.